welcome to this week's Saturday Evening Cocktail, and happy Father's Day. I know it's Saturday. I was so excited for Father's Day, I couldn't wait. I was up 6:30 this morning. I hit the weights, clanging and banging, protein breakfast. I had to come see my father early. I'm in his pool. It's a beautiful day, and we're going to have a drink. We're mixing a cocktail. We're having a mule. You ever have a mule before? All right, they call it a Moscow Mule. We ain't drinking Moscow Mules. We ain't going to Moscow. We don't deal with that guy. We ain't bringing him no sunglasses. No, we're having American mules, victory mules. I was in the drink lab all week trying to figure this out. We're gonna put a twist on it. We're gonna have some fun with this drink. So, I'm gonna start with the lime juice. Now, the Mule actually started in New York in the 40s, all right? They were trying to figure out ways. What are we gonna do? We got ginger beer, we got vodka. How are we gonna mix these two things together? It actually started, there was a drink called the horse collar, which was like ginger ale with a twist, with a kick. Then they added whiskey to it. So this is kind of a take on that. Got very popular in the early 2000s. So I got a little bit of lime juice in here, okay? And I'm actually putting in some lemons and some limes right into the glass. And I've got some old-fashioned syrup. Now this is a great brand. This is Bar Smith Old Fashioned. This is gonna lend a lot more flavor to this drink. And I'm putting an ounce into each one of these, okay? And wait till you see what this is gonna do. This is gonna add a lot more. It's gonna be a little bit more than a regular old highball type this and that sort of drink. And we're just gonna muddle all this together before we even add our spirit in, okay? See what I'm doing here? This is a muddle. This is gonna break everything down, get all this together. And I'm gonna ask you to do the same thing on this side for me. One spirit to this drink, we're using vodka. I'm using Tito's. Again, an American vodka, made in Texas. We're using 2 ounces of this. Right in there. I'm gonna give you this here. So we got an ounce of the syrup. We got 2 ounces of the vodka right in here. Now I'm gonna pour in my ice. And so you can do this a couple of different ways. I got my ginger beer. If you want, you can top it off. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a little bit of a measurement. I like somewhere 4 ounces. If you wanna lighten it up a little bit, you can do 6 ounces of the ginger beer. Or hell, split the difference. This one I'm just gonna top off. And this is going to be a nice, refreshing summer day cocktail. I'm going to use my muddler just to stir it and get everybody mixed in. And this is it. For Father's Day, I think it's a nice, tasty, manly, refreshing drink. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Call your fathers, call your mothers, call the people you love. If I could be half the dad my dad is, I think I'll be doing a great job. Take care of each other. Cheers.